Leather furniture and goods are expensive, so it's important to clean them with quality products. Caring for your leather items properly can prolong their life and keep them looking and performing their best. We researched the top reviewed leather cleaners and compiled a list of our favorites. There are many products available to choose best leather cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Leather Honey. Leather Honey leather conditioner hits all the good stuff in our book. Foremost, it works really well. The cleaner lifts your leather interior's dirt and stains with ease, and the conditioner leaves leather car seats feeling oh so soft. The kit is exactly what you want from these kinds of leather care products. We also love that Leather Honey is a family-owned company, all products are made in the US, and the fragrance is very low-key. Some leather furniture or leather upholstery cleaners and conditioners do their best to pump leather scents in, and for those not looking for a surprise air freshener, Leather Honey is the best car leather conditioner on all counts period. Number 2. Carfidant Ultimate Leather Cleaner. If you're in the market for just a leather seat cleaner without conditioning, look no further than Carfidant's Ultimate Leather Cleaner. It never required a whole lot of elbow grease in our use, and it stripped stains, grime and dirt from leather seats with total ease. Using this kit along with our ultimate leather conditioner will bring your car's leather back to life and ensure it stays looking like new for many years to come. Extend the life of your leather and interior by using our products and car cleaning supplies. Carfidant's cleaning solution promises to clean a car's leather interior, and yes, it absolutely does. Just be sure to follow it up with a conditioner to keep your car's interior seats soft and healthy. Number 3. Lexel Conditioner and Cleaner Kit. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean it does a poor job. Lexel's leather cleaner and conditioner kit does a bang-on job for the price. While the pads had a tendency to fall apart a little bit, the products work just like they should, pulling off dirt and grime with the cleaner and leaving a nice soft leather behind with the conditioner. This leather car seat cleaner can also be used to clean all leather item auto leather, footwear, handbags, briefcases, and leather upholstery. This leather care kit contains 1 all-leather deep cleaner, 1 all-leather deep conditioner, and 2 premium applicator sponges. This conditioner has natural oils that nourish, protect leather, and restores damaged leather. Lexel leather cleaner does not smell very good. We'd highly recommend using this leather surface cleaner outside with windows down in the car. But a leather interior care kit for this price is hard to pass up when it does work. Number 4. Meguiar Leather Cleaner. If you are looking for a leather cleaner with conditioner in a single product, your best choice will be the Meguiar Gold Cleaner. It's a 3-in-1 product that can eliminate surface contaminants, deep clean the pores, nourish the fibers from within, and restore the natural shiny look of leather products. You can use it on leather car seats and other car parts, leather furniture, and even other accessories made from leather. The cleaner can remove both oil and grime from the surfaces, instantly rejuvenating leather products so they appear less dull. In addition, it has an SPX compound for protecting leather surfaces against UV rays, preventing color fading to maintain the beautiful appearance of leather for a long time. Number 5. 3D Leather, Vinyl and Plastic Conditioner. 3D makes a host of killer products, and its leather conditioner is no different. What's wonderful about its LVP conditioner is the fact it also works on faux leather, plastic and as a vinyl cleaner, so it has multiple uses when cleaning your car. Focusing on leather, it leaves car seats feeling super soft without a greasy residue at all. Be sure to use a leather cleaner on a microfiber towel to rid the leather material of dirt and grime before applying this stuff for the best results.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.